Hi, it's Terri Conrad with Bloom True. Thanks for joining me in my studio today. We're working on this fairly new Dina Wakley Ledger Art Journal, and I really am liking this journal. It's a large format. It's ledger pages, and we all love those. So what I've done here is watercolored a big loose floral and then a small little rosebud below. I'm using a brush pen after the watercolor is dried to give some definition to my florals. And I love using a brush pen because it works very much like a paintbrush, but it also works in the same manner as if you are illustrating. And I'm accustomed to being able to do both, so it feels very natural in my hand. You'll notice the kind of awkward little grip that I have today. I recently had joint replacement surgery on my left hand, on my index finger and my middle finger, and I'm still unable to bend my index finger, so it makes for a little bit of an awkward hold, and it actually kind of is, truth be told, impacting my ability to create right now. But I'm in occupational therapy and looking forward to full recovery from that. Now, what this video is really about is preparing a page for an image transfer. And here you see me mixing some colors. I've already laid down a little bit of paint on this right hand page, and this is not essential for you to do an image transfer. I just simply added color to this ledger page to add interest. What is important is you want whatever you lay down as a base layer to fully dry before you add any gel matte medium. So I'm laying down these yummy pink and coral colors, and then I'm just doing some abstract strokes with a yummy teal blue, creamy white, and now I've got this gold. And you can freehand this, you can use stencils, you can use mark making tools, whatever you have on hand. This particular day, I just wanted to do some freehand strokes and kind of get those muscles moving in my hand again and reacquainted with holding a brush. So these are just little flat strokes with a small flat brush that I'm using. I love the gold. I'll probably end up adding a little bit of that to my left-hand page too, just to brighten it up and bring a little continuity. So again, you want to let whatever your base layers are to fully dry before you lay down your gesso, or excuse me, your gel matte medium. Now my favorite is the Golden brand. I'm sure you can use Mod Podge for this too. And this floral is from a collection of line art botanicals that I've illustrated and have available for purchase in digital downloadable format on my website at bloom-true.com. So go ahead and lay down that gel matte medium. You want to lay down a fairly thick layer of medium. And then you'll take your image transfer. I've printed mine in reverse format, and you'll want to likely do the same. And then you just press it down firmly. You can do this with your hands. I'm using a catalyst. Either is fine. And then as you begin to peel that away, you'll see your image transfer. And you can begin by peeling just a little bit away to see or to check how the image transfer has transferred. And I can see right in this corner that the tips of those petals didn't transfer. So I'm just going to put a little more gel matte medium on the page and firmly press that top paper down. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Again, I'm Terri Conrad with Bloom True. If you like this, click the like button, the thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel here for more creative content to help you create, discover, and grow in your own artistic journey. Thanks a lot, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.